8 ways to creating an effective budget. Number 1, assess your income. Get to know how much you make at the end of the month, review your salary and all other income, the side gigs and all of that. Number 2, list your expenses. You need to be able to list all the things you would spend on. That will guide you. Number 3, differentiate between your needs and your wants. It's not everything you see that you buy. Some things you need them, some other things you just want them. Number 4, set financial goals. You cannot just be living life without knowing how much you want to achieve at a certain age of your life. You need to be able to set those financial goals and things you want to get. Number 5, allocate funds for everything. If you want to be able to travel, you should be able to allocate funds at the end of every month to save towards that particular activity, or you want to buy something, allocate funds for it. Number 6, track your spending. Don't be someone who buys anything you go out there and you see and it's enticing. Of course, there would always be beautiful things. And if you are not careful, you would just keep spending without tracking them. And that would always deplete all your savings and any other thing. Number 7, adjust your needs or adjust as needed. There are times that you get into a fix or in a situation that is so firm for you to be able to move out. If you see and you realize that you have to tap into your budget a little bit to be able to solve a problem, do it, because it will give you peace of mind to be able to do the next thing. And number 8, build in savings. Make sure you have something that is kept aside all the time so that it helps you that when you are budgeting, you have the flexibility to play around. Create an effective budget, and I know you will be out all your financial problems. It's in phases, and we will get there.